They're out to get something. They have a plan, have a plot. They're plotting, I tell you. Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. We just finished. Do I make it? Oh, the crowd goes wild. I'm not a fan of strawberries. Hate strawberries. Welcome back. And Roger is walking away. Come on, Roger. Go. Come on, baby. Yeah, we could just walk around real quick. Look at these guys. Look at this. These ducks are actually plotting something. You see them? One of them, it was standing up and the other ones were sitting down. They're out to get something. They have a plan, have a plot. They're gonna come and get us. No, I think they're gonna get Roger. He's gonna walk right into the mud. And that bird is following us. See you, bird.
Do a picture right here. Okay.
Just walk around, come back. Yeah guys, we just finished eating a little while ago, man. I couldn't eat much because too many flies outside. Hey, nope, touch the water. You gave him the big peas still.
I did it.
Throw a whole giant peas. I thought you gave him a little tiny peas.
Oh, it's fine. You're
That's tree. Tree. Come on, baby. Look at these millions of pigeons. Or should I say not millions? Look, and one oddball. Two oddballs. Two brown ones. You hear them like, oh. They're plotting, I tell you. They're plotting. Woo. Hot up here. Park's right there. Straight ahead. See you guys in a bit. Look at Roger. It's not too hard for him. You just sit on it and you just swing around. You lay on it. Like Lance, hello. Lance, have one. He has the light on. The eyes. That's pretty sick, guys.